Hi, this is Brian Lessinger with the Lessinger team here at RE/MAX Realty Affiliates, and we'd like to welcome you to today's video blog. Today's topic is about homeowners insurance and making sure you have the proper coverage. All right, so today's topic is a little bland, but in talking with some of my realtor friends around the country, you really need to reach out to whoever you have your homeowners insurance through and make sure you have the proper coverage. I know my wife and I, we try to talk to our agent at least once a year. Sometimes we go a little longer, but you want to make sure you have proper coverage, and here's why. Let's say you bought your home 10 years ago and you signed up for your homeowners insurance then, and you haven't talked to your agent since. You probably have some sort of plan in place that if something happened to your home, you would not have enough money in coverage to rebuild your home. So as an example, unfortunately, my sister-in-law lived in Santa Rosa, and when they had all those fires in the last year or two, literally not just her home, but their whole neighborhood literally disappeared. And some people, fortunately, and my sister-in-law was one of them, had the proper insurance in place, so her home is being rebuilt. It's actually almost 2 years later, and it is in process of being built now. But others did not, and now you're in a really tough spot when what do? You got no house, you don't have enough coverage to rebuild your house, and now you got a real mess on your hands. So this all goes back to some of the previous videos we talked about with money and knowing your whole life finances and budget. You want to make sure that some of these major things in your life are handled properly. So reach out to your insurance agent. Hopefully you're not using some sort of really reduced cut rate insurance, because trust me, if something happens at your house, you're going to have a major problem. And unfortunately, as realtors, I've seen it here and I've seen it in other places around the country. So make sure that for most of you, your biggest asset is protected. So if you have any questions or if you need a new insurance company, by all means, reach out to us. We're trying to be that trusted advisor for you guys, and more than just the person that helps you buy and sell homes. We're trying to be there more for pretty much anything. So give us a call, and I hope you enjoyed today's topic, and we'll reach out and talk to you very soon. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.